What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chris P, and I'm back with another video. Alright, and if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit that sub button, alright, because your boy has been killing it in the markets, alright, and not just the markets, just every aspect of life, alright, because I believe in powerful manifestations, and anything that you want can literally be obtainable and achievable. Alright, guys, so start thinking positive, and positive things will happen. Alright, this past week I manifested one of the things that I said I was gonna do. All right, and I actually got a brand new 2021 8 Series BMW, black on the outside, black rims, red interior, very beautiful. Follow me on IG if you want to go ahead and tune into that type of stuff. All right, and I'm actually going to be making a lot more videos on this channel as well, vlogging, doing some of the things that I normally do, but just recording it for you guys. All right, and also this past week I actually had a 9K day. All right, 9K day. So if you're not in the Discord chat, jump into the Discord chat, because I'm always posting my profits there. And I actually started posting my profits on my IG, which I never do. But it's really only to get the people who follow me more motivated. You know, it's not a flex or anything. But this video is actually for the new people from you know, my profit posts. Some of my friends have asked me, hey, how do I get into trading? All right, so this is the video that I wanted to go ahead and go over. And all this is how to start your demo account, okay? Because I started with a demo account. Even though my account right now has above $30,000, I started with a demo account. All right, guys, so you have to start somewhere, and demo account is where you have to do it. All right, I actually helped one of my friends this past week set up a demo account. He actually started trading with fake money, and he's been showing profit. You know what I mean? Because he's using the trading indicator to learn, and he's you know, joining these groups. I sent him into a few academies and things like that. So definitely go ahead and tap in with me, because this is gonna be a great video for the new beginners. All right, and also for those who just are looking to just revamp or get into day trading, you know, because there's a lot of people who are doing stocks and holdings and all that stuff, but nobody is really right now, at least from my standpoint, all right, from my followers and people who I know personally, nobody's really doing what I'm doing. You know what I mean? So that's really what it comes down to. I'm trying to show them how to get this money as well. All right, so let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. Boom. All right, first and foremost, today, all right, if you're not in the Discord chat, all right, obviously join. But yeah, this is my profits for today, and it's been a crazy ride, because I usually don't even trade cryptocurrency, but because of trusted signals, link in the description for that, I'm able to actually jump into these markets, and I don't necessarily need to be analyzing the markets 24/7, 24/7, 24/7. For example, I know that crypto had a red day. I already knew that it was going to buy back. So what I did was just turn on trusted signals on the 1 hour chart. And that's basically how I maintain these profits here. All right, now my lot size, like I say, it's a little bit higher than most, because of course now that I'm making more money, I'm using proper risk management. I did not take any L's today. All right, guys, I want you guys to know that I do not take L's. All right, so let's actually jump up here. There's some other people who are making money off of Bitcoin as well, and of course, boom, they're using trusted signals. They got the buy alert as well, and they wrote it to the top, and much more people in the profit, you know what I mean? And we're just all here trading knowledge and stuff like that. But I wanted to go ahead and go back to this past week, all right, because it's been crazy. I mean, literally, I actually made the most profits I ever have. All right, guys, literally $9,000, and actually I had a few more trades after this. But yeah, guys, literally I started this account with $900. I know that you guys saw that in my past video, and what's cool about it is, literally, if you guys are not in the Discord chat, you guys aren't going to know about these profits. Or if you don't follow me on IG, you're not going to know about these profits. But literally right after I made that video, 900 to 10K, that following day I made 5K, and the following day after that I made another 5K. And obviously, you know, I posted all this in the chat. You know, obviously here I was up 7K, and then I kept on trading. I was in a little bit of a drawdown, but I still ended the day up over my goal. You know what I mean? All right. Some other users who are profiting. Boom, boom. Let's see here. I think this was the day before. I mean, literally, I just try to motivate people. It's not a flex or anything. It's just, you know, showing exactly what this indicator does. So as you guys can see here, my boy Eno, who is a beast on the charts, has been murking it, and he actually gives trade ideas for trusted signals. So if you're looking to get trade signals from other traders, join them as well. But I'm trying to show here. I mean, there's so many profits, it's been ridiculous. But let's go ahead and jump directly into the computer. All right. So now, all right, this is a brand new account. I actually made this brand new account solely for this video. All right. And how you're going to want to go ahead and do this. All right. Number one, all right, I actually use a MacBook, which if you're really a trader and you're trading on the computer, I think that, you know, it might be better to go for a PC. All right. But I'm usually trading on the phone anyway. I'm trading on my phone, mobile, in the car. Right now, I'm going to make this video and I'm going to go have some brunch with some friends, you know, so I'm going to be trading. I'm still looking at the market. Right now, I'm looking at my cryptocurrencies, which if you guys are not familiar with my past video, I'll get into that at the end, but it's been literally crazy. I was able to tell you guys about a coin where it was around I guess like 24 cents, and right now it's at $1.16 today. That's the Mana coin. Very, very important coin. Look into it. But yeah, guys, so now with this specific thing, all right, this is KOT Forex, okay? KOT Forex is a broker. So number one, what you're gonna want to do, all right, is you're gonna want to go ahead and join a broker. All right, what a broker is gonna be the person who you're gonna go ahead and put your deposit in, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna be placing the trades, and the broker is the ones that are responsible for placing your order into the actual markets. Okay, so Forex, commodities, indexes, oils, all this stuff, stocks. When you place an order through your broker, all right, they're gonna go ahead and place that order for you, okay? So this is the first part, finding a broker. There's a ton of brokers. KOT Forex is a great broker because it allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, Forex pairs, and all that things. Now, for example, me, I'm using KOT Forex mainly because on the weekend with FX Choice, which is another broker that I am currently affiliated with as well, I go ahead and use them, but on the weekends they don't offer cryptocurrency. So therefore, I've been able to just go through KOT. All right, now making an account is very, very easy, but this is specifically for demo account creation. Okay, this video is going to be for demo account. I will also teach you how to load up your account if necessary right now. But first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come to an account, and then what you're going to want to do is click demo. All right. Now, leverage is based upon how much money you're willing to give or how much they're willing to give you to spend. All right, so I always go for the maximum amount of leverage. That way, you can get the most out of your positive trades, okay, guys? So, boom. Now, selecting a balance, all right, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start with a realistic amount, all right? You're not going to want to start your account with $100,000 unless you're starting out with $100,000, all right? For my friends who are brand new, I'm telling them, hey, start with a $500 account or at least a $1,000 account, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click create, okay? Now, boom. Now, all of a sudden, what it does is sends you your login information, and then it gives you your password, okay, guys? Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download MT4, which is an app, okay? Now, MT4 is MetaTrader 4, okay? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come here, all right? And maybe you guys can see this, maybe you guys can't, all right? But what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come here and you're going to want to actually go to KOT. Now, keep in mind, I'm on a live account, so I have to actually go back, all right? You're going to download MetaTrader 4 on your phone, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit the plus sign, okay? And I'm sorry I'm not showing you this on here, all right? But you can also download the actual browser as well. If you come here, you can go click download. It'll bring you to the download page. You can download it for any specific type of iOS, Android, or just Windows, all right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and click login, all right? You're going to want to click log in to an existing account, all right? And then what you're going to want to do, it says enter company name. You're going to want to go ahead and put KOT, and it's going to give you 3 categories, okay, guys? It's going to give you 3 categories, as you guys can see here. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to select demo, okay? So for this specific one, you're going to want to go ahead and click demo, all right? So that's pretty much what you're gonna want to do, because you're using a demo account. Now, if you're using a live account, all right, what you're gonna want to do is click live, and obviously you're gonna have the login information. But what you're gonna want to do, okay, is you're gonna come to my account. You're gonna create account. Okay, then you're gonna go to ECN account. You're gonna select USD. You're gonna select 500 leverage. You're gonna go ahead and put create account. Now, okay, create a deposit and add fund to your wallet before creating an account. Okay, so now what you're gonna want to do to deposit, all right, which is very, very simple, guys, is you're gonna want to come here to deposit. You're gonna want to select your wallet, which is USD. Then what you're gonna want to do is select Bitcoin or Instacoins. Now, Instacoin is gonna be through a payment provider, and they're gonna be able to actually take debit or credit. But for me, I just click Bitcoin, all right? And let's say I do 500 here, proceed to payment. All right, then it's gonna bring you to a specific page where you're gonna be able to copy that wallet. All right, and now you're creating a wallet on KOT Forex. Okay, guys, so now you're gonna be able to go ahead and load this account. All right, me personally, I use Coinbase. Okay, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to Coinbase, which is very simple. You're gonna want to go ahead and copy this address, go to your Coinbase, okay, and then you're gonna put send Bitcoin, okay, and you're gonna send it to this address. Once it sends to this address, you will then go ahead and see that. Boom. All right. Oh man, now it's gonna ask me for all this. Hopefully it doesn't log me into my other account. Hold up 1 second. That's what I was trying to avoid, but let's see here. I have to go to the authentication app. Oops. Let's see if that works. All right, it did. So now another thing, when you join, you're gonna have to download Google Authenticator on your phone, all right, or on your computer, and that's gonna go ahead and give you the ability to actually get into your account. I forgot to mention that. It's called Google Authenticator, and it's very simple. All you have to do is just take a picture of the QR code, and you're in automatically. So like I said, all right, you're gonna come here, deposit funds. Now, as you guys can see here, it'll show you your deposit history, okay? Once it approves, you'll then see this number change to 500 or whatever you deposit. And then what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna go to internal transfers. And then you're gonna wanna go to wallet to MT4. Okay, and of course, if you have an account already, which now we don't because we haven't been able to deposit, you're gonna pick select account, and you're gonna select that account, and you're gonna transfer that $500 into your account. And then all you're gonna do is you're gonna go back to your MT4, and then you're gonna see the money on your MT4, and now you're trading on a live account, guys. So it's very, very simple. And this is basically the main beginner of like getting into trading. All right, this is not even going over you know, what you can trade and all that good stuff. This is literally for beginners on how to open up a KOT Forex demo account. And it's pretty self-explanatory, but then again, you know, there's a lot of people who have been following me who have been asking for this specific video. So here it is, guys. All right, guys. So guys, definitely you know, tap in with me, because I promise you, you guys are gonna get a lot of information. All right, and this is specifically for my friends and family who are joining. All right, I have a lot of things planned for the channel, a lot of things going forward. All right, make sure that you guys get trusted signals. All right, because I promise you, it's gonna take your trading to the next level. All right, until the next video, guys, I am out. Peace.